This feels like rage bait, but I'm gonna bite on it anyways because content is always content. This is definitely portable. This is the Shark MessMaster. It is a no-loss suction wet and dry vacuum that absolutely decimates every other vacuum, even close to its size on the market for its cost. What makes this thing so great is it does have a no-loss suction system, so it never loses suction. Also extremely mobile friendly and portable. Look at how small it is. Look at how everything wraps right up neatly into the vacuum itself. Pull out the hose like this. Comes with 3 tip attachments, a smaller blade attachment, a larger attachment, and of course a very precise tip. To open up the inside just like this, it has a bucketed system, so you can use just the bucket, or you can throw a bag in here if you don't want to get the bucket all dirty. If you need to clean the filter, you just run soapy water through the vacuum. It's going to clean it all out. But do not be fooled by the size of this vacuum, you guys. The power is incredible for its size. Right now, QVC is running crazy deals on the Shark MessMaster. If you guys are interested in grabbing one, I'll leave a link in the bottom left-hand corner.